Hey guys, Jared here, and I thought it would be kind of useful if I showed you how to download um, families from the internet, put them into Revit. Now, I learned this in high school. I was never taught in class. So I thought this might be useful just to have that out there. I'm here on REVITCITY, which is the only website that I've been able to get files off of for Revit that actually work. You're going to need to make a free profile of it as a student, which I have. I'm currently logged in. And I want to download this column here so that I can use it in my project because I want to put some columns in. So I'm going to put download now. Let the website load. This may take a while. There we go. Downloading files. I'm Chrome. It opens off this box automatically for me. You may have something different. And I'm just going to put in our downloads so it's easy to find for me later. So there it is down there. And I'm going to jump over here to Revit. And okay, here we go. There's my project. So I'm going to go to the architecture tab. Let's see, it's a column, so I'm going to click on the column tool. I was going to save the project, so I'll do so. Okay, and load family. And when I click on load family, it's going to take me straight to the Imperial Library. Sorry, it popped up on my other monitor, so I can bring it over. But however, I want to go over here to, let's see. PC, go downloads, and box column. Yeah, I may have to upgrade the model, and some of them may be too old. This one's from 2009, and okay, let's try it again. This one may be too old. Okay, so since it won't try here, we'll just try. With to mess with this, I would have to load the family up and actually modify it to just the height it is. And I didn't know what else to do, and I thought this could be the most useful. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.